mechanism. Okay, indexing mechanism, very interesting topic. Okay, so that is required to for the this one your lab also, for this machine shop lab is there also, it is that indexing mechanism is required. Okay, so now we'll start that concept. So this ppt is visible, right? Visible or not? Just tell me.
Sir.
Huh?
Visible, sir.
Okay. Okay, so indexing is the operation of dividing the peripheral of a workpiece into equal number of parts. So have you seen the gears? So gear is having number of teeth, so that is equal divided. Okay, that is equal divided, so each teeth in a gear are equally divided. So that division we can make with the help of this indexing mechanism. So indexing is the operation of dividing the peripheral. So one circumference is there, one circle. So how you can divide into equal number of parts? It may be 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so it may be 2 is nothing but half circle. So half circle 2 divide you can make easily. But 30 20 or 50, so how you can make that equally divided part? With the help of this indexing mechanism you can make that circle into equal part. Okay, so the indexing is a mechanism. So from this mechanism you can divide the workpiece into equal parts, equal number of parts. So that is called as indexing mechanism. Understood? So indexing is nothing but what? Anyone? Sumant. Akila is not there. So indexing is nothing but dividing the peripheral into equal number of parts. That is called as indexing mechanism. So this is called as indexing plate. Okay, so this is called as indexing plate. Okay, so this is called as indexing plate. So and this is index crank. Okay, index crank. So this is called as index crank. So here you can observe the numbers. So what is this number? 1 as well as 5, right? So total it is called as 15. So 15 indicates that. So in that circle total 15 hole is there. Okay, 15. So here total 15 hole is there. So similarly, so what is this? Next circle name is what? So how much circle is there? Anyone? Tell me. What is this? Am I audible, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is this number? 1
Six.
as well as 6. 1 6 is nothing but 16 whole circle. So this whole circle you can observe, this circumference whole circle is called as 16 holes, is having total 16 holes. Similarly, so this one. Okay, so I will tell you in detail. So this one, so this is nothing but 16 17 whole circle. Okay, so like this it is having total 17 whole. So it is having total 17. So likewise this is 18. Okay, so 18 one, so 18 one, so 19th one, so 19 whole circle. So this is total 19 hole is there, like that. Okay, next one is 20th hole. So like this, so this plate is having different whole circle. So that is nothing but 15 whole circle, 16 whole circle, 17 whole circle, as well as 18 19 20. So this variety of whole circle is there in this index plate. So this is called as index plate. And one more is there, that is called as index crank. So I will tell you what is that index crank. So index plate understood, right? So different types of whole circle you can observe in a index plate: 15 16 17 18 19 20, like that. So different varieties there. So how it works? Okay, so you here you just see that this is called as index plate. Index plate is having number of holes. Okay, so it may be 15 to different varieties there. In one index plate is having 15 to 20, second index plate is having 20 to 25, third index plate is having 25 to 30, like that. Different varieties of index plate is there. Based on the requirement, you should select particular index plate. So then this is called as crank. Okay, so here you can observe this is called as crank. Okay, this crank you can rotate and fix in a particular hole circle. Okay, particular hole circle you can fix that crank. Okay, so you can rotate particular rotation and fix that particular hole in a hole index plate. Okay, hole in a index plate. So here also you can observe, so index pin. Okay, so index pin, and this is called as index clamp. Okay, so next to clamp nut, and sector for just measurement, and index plate. Okay, this is index plate. So all of you understood, right? What is that index plate? Index plate is having number of hole circle. Okay, so number of hole circle. Then index crank, this is called as index crank. Index crank will be rotate, so based on the requirement, and fix with the help of this index pin. Okay, fix in a particular hole in a index plate with the help of this index pin. Okay, with the help of index pin. So this mechanism is it will be works. So here one more spur gear is there. Okay, spur gear is nothing but gear teeth are parallel to the shaft. Okay, gear teeth are parallel to the shaft. That is called as what? That is called as spur gear. Okay, that is called as spur gear. So spur gear is having 40 teeth. So spur gear is having 40 teeth. So and also this is worm wheel. So worm wheel function is to speed reduction gear. It is act as speed reduction gear. Worm wheel is act as speed reduction gear. Okay, so one full rotation of spur gear is nothing but 40 rotation of. So consider this spur gear is having 40 teeth. Okay, consider this spur gear is having 40 teeth. So one full rotation of this spur gear is equal to 40 times rotation of this crank. Okay, 40 times rotation of this crank. Okay, so worm wheel is act as speed reduction gear. So this is called as worm gear. So worm gear is attached to worm wheel. So worm wheel is also it is called as spur gear. Okay, it is a spur gear. Okay, so here you can observe the index plate. Okay, index plate. So index plate is having number of hole circle. So first circle indicates 15, or any types, different types of index plate is there. So based on that, so different number of hole circle you can observe, the number of hole circle in a index plate, number of hole circle in a index plate. So in this way this indexing mechanism will works. Okay, in this way this indexing mechanism will works. So here you can observe. So please note down this plate number. All of you please note down this plate number. Plate number 1 is nothing but it is having 15 hole circle, 16 hole circle, 17 hole circle, 18, 19, 20, like that. Okay, so plate number 1 is having this variety of hole circle, this varieties of hole circle. And plate number 2 is nothing but this varieties of hole circle, 21, 23, 27, 29, 31, and 33. Okay, so next plate 3 plate number 3 is having this varieties of whole circle, that is 37, 39, 41, 43, 47, 49. Okay, so this is called as different varieties of plate. So whole circle is nothing but this full circle is if you count this full circle you will get one number. That number will nothing but 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So similarly plate number 2. So plate number 2 is having this varieties of whole circle, and plate 3 is having this varieties of whole circle. Okay, so this is not required. This is German and some other country whole circle. We are using this standards. Okay, so we are using, Indians are using this standards of whole circle plate for indexing mechanism. Understood? Any doubt?
Okay.
Okay, so please note down this plate number. So I will tell you. So this plate number is required to solve the problems. Okay. So any doubt till here? So index plate is having number of different varieties of whole circle. So it will be divided in three varieties of plates. So three varieties of plate is having different varieties of holes in a plate. Okay. So then it will be rotating. So crank will be rotating and fix in particular whole circle. In particular whole circle. Okay. So for fixing, so there are different varieties of method is there, so we'll discuss one by one. Okay, so first one is different types of indexing method. First one is direct indexing. Second one is simple or plain indexing. Third one is compound indexing. Fourth one is differential indexing. And fifth one is angular indexing. These are the different types of indexing method. Okay, these are the different types of indexing method. Okay, types of indexing method. So we'll discuss one by one. Okay, direct indexing mechanism means what? Okay, so direct is nothing but direct contact. Okay, so that shaft, okay, crank pin will be directly rotate is nothing but one full rotation of this crank is equal to one full rotation of spur gear. One full rotation of spur gear. Suppose if you want to rotate, if you want to divide into two parts is nothing but two full rotation of crank. Okay, so like this, here I will tell you. So suppose if you want to divide the workpiece, so this is connected to workpiece. Okay, this piece is main spindle. Main spindle is connected to workpiece. So suppose if you want to create two divide in a circle, okay, to divide in a workpiece, then you have to rotate two full rotation of this crank pin. Okay, full rotation of this crank pin. So that is, then you will get two divide in a workpiece. Okay, suppose if you want to create four division in the workpiece, you have to rotate how many rotation of this crank? How many rotation of this crank? Tell me. How many
For,
rotation?
for one it is two, no sir?
For one rotation, one division. Two rotation is nothing but two division. Okay, so similarly total 24 is there. So you can rotate up to 24 division you can make with the help of this direct indexing mechanism. Okay, direct indexing mechanism. Total 24
So
holes.
12 rotation.
uh, 24 is nothing but, see, so total with the standard indexing plate having 24 holes. Okay, 24 holes. One hole is nothing but one division. Two hole is nothing but two division. Is nothing but second hole is nothing but two second division you can make. Each hole is nothing but one division you can make. That is nothing but indexing mechanism, a direct indexing mechanism. Understood? So here, so consider this circle is having 24. Okay, consider this circle is having 24 holes. Okay, consider this circle is having 24 holes. Suppose if you want to create two division. Okay, suppose if you want to create two division. So how to divide the workpiece? How to divide workpiece? So 24 total circle is how much? Total circle in the index plate is how much? 24. So you have to create two division in a workpiece. So 24 divided by
2.
24 divided by 2. Okay, 24 divided by 2 is nothing but 12. So count 12 division in the plate and fix it. Okay, 12 division in a plate and fix it and creating a mark. Okay, then again count 12 division. So it is coming here. Again come back to original position and fix the crank. Okay, fix the crank pin and you can divide the workpiece into two parts. Okay, divide the workpiece into two parts. Understood? So that is nothing but direct indexing mechanism. Just directly you can count the hole in the index plate and fix the pin and you can divide the workpiece. Okay, so we'll solve the problem, then we'll come to know that. So each that direct indexing mechanism plate is having total 24 holes. Okay, 24 holes, so that you can divide into this number of parts is nothing but, so you should take the multiple of 24 itself. Okay, other division is not possible with the help of direct indexing mechanism. So other division is not possible. Only you can take 24 multiples. So multiple of 24 is nothing but 2 times 2 into how many times into 24? 12
12.
times. Okay, 12 into 2, 24. 3, 8
8.
threes are 8 threes are 24, like that. So it should be a multiple of 24. Okay, so then only you can divide the workpiece. Okay, so you can create this varieties of holes. 2 division you can create in the workpiece, 3 division you can create in the workpiece, 4 division you can create, like that. Okay, so only this division you can make with the help of this direct indexing mechanism. Okay, so we'll solve one of the problem, then you come to know that. So n is equal to 24 divided by n. So why it is 24? So in direct indexing mechanism is having total 24 only holes only in the index plate, not more than that or not less than that. Okay, so index plate is having only 24 holes. Okay, so here capital N is nothing but number of holes to be removed. Okay, so number of holes to be removed. Okay, so small n is nothing but number of holes to be moved. Okay, number of holes to be moved. Understood? Number of holes to be moved. So you can make, so 12 division. Okay, so number of holes to be removed is nothing but how many division is required in the workpiece, how many division is required. Suppose I will take, so 12 division is required in a workpiece. Okay, 12 division is required in a workpiece. So which one is n now? So capital N is how much? So 12 division is required in a workpiece. So what is the capital N?
2.
No, 12 division is required. So 12 division is nothing but directly number of holes to be removed is nothing but 12. Capital N is equal to 12. Okay, so 12 hole you have to
Visible
create.
small.
Huh? Small n is nothing but number of holes to be moved in the
2.
uh, uh, plate. Okay, that is equal to 2. Why? Because 24 divided by 12. Okay, 12 is nothing but 12 division you have to create in a workpiece, so that 20 total is in a plate is having 24. So 24 in that 12 holes we have to create. So 24 divided by 12 is nothing but each 2 holes you can mark the workpiece. You should mark in the workpiece each 2 hole. Okay, so here you can observe. So first hole, this is first hole, this is second hole, and third hole. So starting from here, and here you just fix it, fix the crank pin and mark in the workpiece. Okay, mark in the workpiece and leave this hole and fix in fourth hole. Okay, fourth hole. So mark the fix the index pin, fix the index pin, then mark in the workpiece. Then after 4, next which one, which hole we have to fix? Next, which hole we have to fix after
6.
2 is over? 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So total how many holes are over? 12 holes are over. So that 12 division you can make in the workpiece. Understood? So in this way you can create, you can divide the workpiece into equal number parts with the help of this direct indexing mechanism, directly rotating the crank and fix the with the help of crank pin, and you can mark divide the workpiece into equal number of parts. So can you tell me, so 8 division, suppose if you want to create 8 division, so which how many holes we should shift in the plate? Suppose if you want to make 8 division, okay, 8 equal parts in the workpiece, can you tell me? If you
3.
want to make 3, so 8 is nothing but capital N is 8. So 24 divided by 8 is nothing but 3 holes to be moved. So for each 3 holes you have to mark in the workpiece. So this is called as direct indexing mechanism. Okay, so 3 is nothing but 3, 6, 9, 3 holes are over. Next 12, 15, next 18, 18, 21, 24. Total 8 holes are over in the workpiece. 8 equal division is possible. So that is nothing but you have to move 3 holes to be moved in the plate. Okay, so that is nothing but direct indexing mechanism. Understood? Direct indexing mechanism. So one more example you can take. So 4. So 4, how many holes we have to move in a index plate? So you have to make 4 division in the workpiece. So how much division we have to move in the index plate? Anyone?
6.
24 divided by 4 is nothing but how much? 6. Okay, so 6 holes to be moved. Okay, for each 6 holes you can make division, so that you can make 4 equal division in the workpiece. Okay, so a number of holes to be removed is nothing but capital N. So actually how many division is required, that is nothing but capital N. Small n is equal to number of holes to be moved in the index plate. That is nothing but direct indexing mechanism. Second one is simple or plain indexing mechanism. Simple or plain indexing mechanism. This is second type. In this, the index plate selected for the particular application, it is fitted on the worm shaft. Okay, worm shaft. So here, not directly. So one full rotation is not equal to the spindle rotation. Okay, not exactly equal to the spindle rotation. So it is equal to 40 divided by n. So 40 divided by n, yes, is nothing but, so spur gear is having 40 number of teeth. One full rotation of crank, one full rotation of crank is equal to one teeth movement in the spur gear. So how many rotation is required to complete one full rotation of spur gear? 40 rotation of crank pin is 40 rotation of crank is equal to one full rotation of spur. Okay, so here you can observe. So this is called as spur gear. So spur gear is attached to the worm wheel in direct mechanism, direct indexing mechanism. So this mechanism is not there. So this shaft is directly connected to the workpiece. This shaft is directly connected to the workpiece. So indirect simple indexing mechanism. So here this shaft is connected, this worm wheel is connected to the spur gear. Worm wheel is connected to the spur wheel, so that consider this spur gear is having 40 teeth. So one rotation of this crank is equal to one teeth movement in the spur gear. So 40 full rotation of this crank is equal to one full rotation of spur gear. One full rotation of spur gear. That is called as simple indexing mechanism. Simple indexing mechanism. Okay, understood? So how many rotation is required to complete a rotation of spur gear? How many rotation?
40.
40 rotation of crank is required to complete one full rotation of spur gear. Okay, so it is name given as, the formula is given as small n is equal to 40 divided by n. 40 divided by n. We'll see. So what is that? This one. So that is number. Here n is nothing but what? Number of turns. Okay, so n is nothing but how many division is required in the workpiece, same as previous one. So capital N is equal to number of division required. So small n is equal to number of turns is required. So previous one is number of holes to be moved, but here small n is equal to number of turns is required in the crank pin. Okay, in the crank. Okay, so we'll see, we'll solve some of the problems, then you come to know that. So this is the standard plate number. Okay, plate 1 is having this much whole circle, plate 2 is having this much whole circle, plate D3 is having this much whole circle. So suppose 28 division you want. Is it possible with the help of direct indexing mechanism? 28 division. Can you tell me? So is it possible with the help of direct indexing mechanism?
No, sir.
So no, it is not possible. Why? Because direct indexing mechanism is having only 24 whole circle. So up to 24 division you can make with the help of direct indexing mechanism. So if it is more than that, you can go for simple indexing mechanism. Simple indexing mechanism is having one index crank, one index crank and index plate, and index plate is connected with the help of worm gear with the help of spur gear. Okay, spur gear is attached to the workpiece. Spur gear is attached to the workpiece. Okay, so formula of this simple indexing mechanism is what? 40 divided by n. Okay, so here n, capital N is how much? How many division is required? 28 division is required. So that 40 divided by 28. Okay, 40 divided by 28. So 28 ones are 28. Okay, 28 ones are 28. Remaining thing is how much? 40 minus 28 is how much? How much? So how much? So I will solve here. So this is the calculation. So 40, 28 ones are 28. Okay, next to 4 remaining is what? 40. 40 minus 28 is how much? 12. 12 is remaining, divided by 28. Okay, divided by 28, not 40. Okay, not 40. So divided by 28. So simplify this term. Simplify this term. So how we can simplify? 4 threes are, this is 1 as it is. 4 threes are, next 4 threes are 4. How much is 28? How much is 28?
7.
7s are 28. Okay, 7s are 28. So now you just see. So this is nothing but, so lower denominator is nothing but plate number. Okay, denominator is nothing but plate number. So whether this 7 plate number is there, 7 whole circle is there in the plate number, any of the plate number? 7 is not there. 7 is not there. So that you should multiply one number in such a way that that should be matches to any of the whole circle, any of the whole circle. Which plate number you can take? So you should multiply one number, that number in such a way that that should be matches with any of the whole circle, any of the whole circle. So which plate number you can take and which number you should multiply here? So 7 2s are 14. Oh, 14 whole circle is there. Is it there?
No, sir.
Tell me. No. So 7 3s are how much? 7
21.
3, 21 is there, right? 21 is there. So plate number is which one? Plate number is 2. So once you multiply in the denominator 3, same way you should multiply in the numerator also. You should multiply in the numerator also. Write 1 as it is. Write 1 as it is. 3 3s are how much? 3 3s are how much? 9. And 7 3s are how much? 7 3s are how much? 21. So this means that 1 minute. Okay, this means that one full circle in the crank, one full rotation of crank in plate number 2, 21 whole circle, and count 9 division. Okay, count 9 division. So this calculation is nothing but 1 and into 9 divided by 21. 1 into 9 divided by 21 is nothing but, you should take which plate number? Second plate number. In that you should select 21 whole circle. 21 whole circle. In that one is there. So 1 is nothing but one full rotation of this crank. One full rotation of this crank. So after coming to original position, then count 9 whole circle in 21 whole circle. Okay, 9 holes. Count 9 holes and fix the crank. Okay, fix the crank in which whole circle? 21 whole circle. In 21 whole circle. Once again I will tell you. So little bit complicated is there. So first, what is the calculation part is over. So answer is 1 into 9 divided by 21. So which plate you have to select? Second plate you have to select. In that 21 whole circle you should select 21 whole circle in a second. This, consider this is plate is second one, and in that you should select 21 whole circle. Then one full rotation of this crank. and fix to the same position, after completing one full rotation, fix to the crank pin in the whole circle. Then count 9 holes in the 21 hole circle. Count 9 holes. Consider this is a 21 hole circle and count 9 hole. So this is actual initial position. From this position you rotate one full rotation, fix it here and count 9 holes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and fix the crank here. Fix the crank here. That is nothing but one division in the workpiece. So second division, how to create? Second division is nothing but initial position is this one full rotation and come back to its original position. Then count 9 holes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So the second holes are, second division is over. Third division, so how to create third division in the workpiece? Again, one full rotation in 21 hole circle, one full rotation in 21 hole circle, and count 9 division, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and fix it here and mark in the workpiece. That is nothing but third division in the workpiece. Similarly, you should create the division. So how many division you should make? 28 division. 28 division. So in this way you can calculate for simple indexing mechanism. Understood? Simple indexing mechanism understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so one more example you just solve. 32 division. So 32 division, yet just solve and tell me the answer. 32 division. (32) 40 divided by 32. So 40 divided by 32. So 32 ones are 32. 32 ones are 32. Next, 40 minus 32 is how much? 8. 8 divided by 32. 8 divided by 32. So 8 ones are 8. How much is 32? 4 is 32. So 1 into 1 by 4. So how much we should multiply to get to any of the whole circle in the plate? How much number we should multiply? So 1 into 1 by 4. In the denominator you just see. So denominator number is what? Denominator number is 4. So how much we should multiply to get any of the whole circle? Tell me.
16.
16. 16 is nothing but plate number 1.
1.
Okay, good. Okay, so here is nothing but 40 divided by 32. 40 divided by 32. So 32 ones are 32 and remaining is 8 divided by 32. Okay, so 8 ones are 8 fours are. So next 1 by 4. So you should see, so which plate number should matches to this value. So I will take 4 and into 4. So what is the answer? 1 4 4 ones are 4 and 4 fours are 16. 4 fours are 16. So what is the meaning of this one? So you should take plate number 1 and 16 whole circle, plate number 1 and 16 whole circle. In that you should rotate the crank one full rotation of this crank, and next fix the position and count 4 holes, and that is nothing but first division. Second division, so how to create second division? One full rotation of crank and count 4 holes. Count 4 holes. Okay, count 4 holes. That is nothing but second division in the workpiece. Third division, so how to create third division? One full rotation of the crank and count 4 holes. That is nothing but third division. Similarly, you can create the division in the workpiece. That is nothing but simple indexing mechanism. Simple indexing mechanism. Next one is compound indexing mechanism. Okay, compound indexing mechanism. So here, compound indexing mechanism, initially we can rotate the crank. Okay, initially we can rotate the crank. So here this rotation, once the crank rotation is finished, once the crank rotation is over, next we can rotate the crank plate itself. Okay, we can rotate the crank plate itself. That is nothing but compound indexing mechanism. Both crank as well as crank plate will be rotate. Okay, so here initially crank, this is called as crank will be rotated based on the calculation. So same similar to that of in simple indexing mechanism. So one full rotation, so one full rotation is nothing but one full rotation and count a number of holes, so you can fix here. Okay, so that is crank rotation is over. Next, second one, you can rotate this crank plate itself. Rotate the crank plate to left or right based on the value. Okay, so if it is negative is nothing but opposite rotation, positive is nothing but clockwise rotation, like this. So again, both crank plate as well as crank are rotating in compound indexing mechanism. This is called as compound indexing mechanism. Okay, so here n1 holes, this is nothing but n1 holes and n2 holes. Okay, n2 holes is for crank plate rotation, n1 holes for crank rotation. Okay, so you just take down this formula. So for calculation compound indexing, you can use this formula: 40 divided by n is equal to n1 divided by n1 plus or minus n2 divided by n2. Okay, n1 divided by n1 plus or minus n2 divided by n2. So here n is nothing but number of division required. So n1, capital N1 is nothing but the whole circle used by the crank pin, whole circle used by the crank pin. So n2 is nothing but whole circle used by the lock pin. Okay, whole circle used by the lock pin. So here small n is nothing but the number of holes to be moved by the crank pin in the n1 whole circle. N2 is nothing but number of holes to be moved in the lock pin in the n2 whole circle. So n2 indicates crank plate rotation and n1 indicates that crank pins are rotating. Okay, cranks are rotating. So that is the difference. So in case if you are getting positive or negative, negative is nothing but anti-clockwise rotation of the crank plate. So positive is nothing but same direction of crank rotation, clockwise direction of crank. Okay, so this is crank rotation. N1 indicates that crank rotation, N2 indicates that crank plates are rotating. So here crank as well as crank plate both are rotating. Okay, to get the required division in the workpiece, to get required division in the workpiece. Finished? Finished? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. Okay,
Yes.
so next differential indexing mechanism and one more angular indexing mechanism is there. So that we'll see in the next class after the exam. So now understood, right? The different varieties of indexing mechanism. Indexing mechanism is nothing but dividing the peripheral into equal number of parts. Okay, dividing the peripheral into equal number of parts. Different method is there, little bit complicate concept. Direct indexing mechanism, simple or plain indexing, compound indexing, differential indexing, as well as angular indexing. So in direct indexing mechanism, so total how many holes circle is there? So total 21 holes in a plate. Okay, so you can divide the
24,
workpiece
right,
into
sir?
24. Okay, 24 holes. 24 holes, so that up to 24 division you can make with the help of this direct indexing mechanism. But still, so 9 hole circle, suppose if you want to make a 9 hole circle, so it is not possible in direct indexing mechanism. You can take only the multiple of 24. in the direct indexing mechanism. Other than that, it is not possible. So suppose if you want to make a 9 division in the workpiece, it is not possible in direct indexing mechanism. So it is very simple actually. So spindle is directly connected to the workpiece. So based on the rotation of the crank, the directly that workpiece will be rotate. Suppose if you want to make 24 division, 24 division in the workpiece. So how many whole circle you should count? 24 whole circle. Suppose if you want to make 24 division in the workpiece, so how many whole circle we should move? N is equal to 24 divided by capital N. Capital N is equal to number of division required. So capital N is 24. So 24 divided by 24 is nothing but 1. You will small n, you will get 1. So 1 is nothing but each hole you should mark in the workpiece. Okay, each hole. Total whole circle is 24. So each whole circle, fix the crank pin and mark in the workpiece. That then only you will get 24 division in the workpiece. Okay, so like this. So 12 division, suppose 12 division is required, so then 24 divided by 12, then 2 whole circle to be moved. To each 2 holes you fix the crank pin and mark in the workpiece. That is the direct method. That is called as direct indexing mechanism. Second one is simple or plain indexing mechanism. So for this one, worm wheel is using along with spur gear. So 40 so spur gear is having 40 teeth, so that one full rotation of spur gear is equal to 40 rotation of which one? Crank. Okay, 40 rotation of crank. One full rotation of spur gear is equal to 40 rotation of crank. That spur gear spindle is connected to the workpiece. So suppose if you want to rotate one full rotation of spur gear, you have to rotate 40 times in the crank. Okay, so the formula is given, n is equal to 40 divided by n. So n is capital N is number of division requirement. So suppose 28 division is required, so you have to divide like this, 40 divided by 28. 28 ones are 28, remaining thing is how much? 12. 40 minus 28 is how much? 12 divided by 28. Simplify this one, you will get 3 divided by 7. So this is the varieties of plates and whole circle. So you should match this value to any of the whole circle in any of the plates. So I will match multiply into 3, so that it will matches to plate number 2 and whole circle 21, and same number you should multiply for the numerator also. You will get this value, 1 into 9 divided by 21. So take which whole circle? Plate number 2, 21 whole circle, and one full rotation of crank, and count 9 whole circle, 9 holes, count 9 holes, and fix the crank pin, and that is nothing but for one division. Similarly, how to create second division? One full rotation of the crank, and again count 9 division in that hole and fix the crank. That is nothing but second division. Similarly, you can create 28 division with the help of this calculation. That is nothing but simple indexing mechanism. So next one is compound indexing mechanism. Compound indexing, here both crank pin, so here both crank, so this is called as crank, so and this is called as whole plate will be rotating, whole this index plate will be rotate. So initially crank will be rotated based on a simple indexing calculation. Then once it is finished, then whole this plate will be rotated based on the value. Okay, so this is the formula. Suppose if this portion is nothing but n1 divided by capital N1 is nothing but crank rotation, n2 is divided by capital N2 is nothing but plate rotation. So suppose if you want if you get here negative value is nothing but plate will be rotating in opposite direction of the crank rotation. Positive is nothing but crank rotation as well as plate rotation, both are in same direction. So this is called as compound indexing mechanism. Next, remaining two we'll see in the next class. Okay, so all the best for the internal also. Okay, so any doubt?
Thank you, sir.
Sir, any important questions?
Important, all are important only. So this is theory subject, right? So all are important only. So please prepare well for the exam. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.